G'day everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's the day after Christmas, so it's the Boxing Day in Australia, and it's taken 4 weeks to get a voice back. Now, I haven't exactly been stationary for 4 weeks, I just haven't been able to talk, so it's made doing videos very hard and I do apologise for that. Come the new year, I go back to work tomorrow, but come the new year, I'm going to try and get a bit more regularity back into the channel. But for today, this morning I woke up and I thought, no, it's time to do the head gasket on Barry. And I want to show you what I found because it's utterly priceless. I don't know who worked on this car in the past, and I'm no engineer, well actually I am an engineer, I'm no mechanic, but I know a couple of things about some things. So let me show you what we just found. Okay, so here's the head, upside down. I'm having trouble getting the thermostat housing off. This bottom bolt is loose, but if I do a little spinny, this here top bolt, where my finger is a bit stuck. So I'm gonna soak that in some stuff. But the first thing that stands out, this is spark plug number 1. What's going on here, they said. Spark plug number 2, 3 and 4. So spark plugs are wrong. And the other thing that stands out really obviously is this. There is almost a low spot where the gasket hasn't been in contact, and you can see that it's been shunting back and forth. And to a lesser extent, get me focus, to a lesser extent just here. Other than that, the head looks pretty good. It's clean enough. There's lots of schmutz. Like, pretty happy, right? So I've got to get this off. I'm going to let it drain for a few hours, drain all the oil out, and then I'm going to stick it on its end, so on this part down, and then just try and soak that bolt, because I really want to change the thermostat because it's disgusting. Which brings us back to the head gasket. So I'll put the head gasket back how I found it. Because the other thing I've worked out is I have to do a timing chain as well, because you might not be able to see it very well, but in fact you can't see it very well. Oh, there we go, there it is. The timing chain tensioner is at full extension, so I'm going to have to do a timing chain, which I'm not very excited about. So let me stop and I'll get this in focus. So this is how we found the head gasket, and you can see here it's mangled here and missing completely here and mangled here. So this piston has been talking to this piston, and then this piston talks to this piston. Number 4 is pretty clean. Number 1's pretty clean, but 2 and 3 are filthy. And if I take the head gasket out of the way, you can see it a bit better. So here's number 1. Number 1, pretty happy. More schmutz. But number 2 and number 4, look at this. These have been, there it is there, talking to each other. 4's as clean as a whistle. So whichever absolute muppet did the head gasket on this last, well, screw them. And there's also some schmutz in here I need to dig out. Anyway, so there you go. So my next job, unfortunately, is to go back to work for 8 days, and I need to order a timing chain kit. And the other thing, which you might not be able to see because I've taken it off, let's see if we can see it from this side, just here. There we go. There is a crack in the timing colour, which explains the goop somebody's put on the outside. So I need to get the timing cover off, which means I need to rattle gun the pulley, rattle gun the bolt out of the pulley, pull the pulley off. There's a bolt in the air conditioner here. And then I might as well order a new water pump, and so on and so on and so on. Righto, so the saga of Barry continues. Again, if I haven't been here, I am sorry. It's been crazy. Went away, got sick, no voice, Christmas, New Year's, back to work. I'll be back in the new year. I'm excited about the channel. We're at 865 subscribers, and I know a lot of you just watch for the reels, and that's fine. I appreciate you watching. If you are watching and you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. Barry is going to go back together in one day. Not today, because it's hot and I'm tired and I don't have the parts. But Barry will live again. The head gasket has just blown me away. And the clear signal are those two marks there. So, yeah, exciting stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I do have something else to show you. I just have to find him. So, no, this one's not mine. This is my daughter's dog. And this is Buster, and he's also my daughter's dog, but this is the new channel dog. This is Obi. Obi's an Australian Kelpie, and he's brown and 16 weeks old, and he does this a lot. Chico, meanwhile, he's over there having a sleep. Anyway, you'll see more of Obi as time goes on and he gets bigger, but he's been helping all morning under the car by sleeping. So, see you next time.